What's your name?
Frankie.
Your name's Frankie. And what are you doing?
I gotta show you how to cook these here.
Okay, what kind of cookies you eating?
See? So you didn't do.
Where you going?
First
Ah.
for you. Make sure this
So what kind of cookies are you eating?
has these gentle
No,
absorbent
no.
plasma running
Please.
masses and campus splatters. I'll take care of
Awesome.
Comfortable shoes that fit.
That's how you eat your cookies?
Yeah.
Out with a smile. Up to 40% of shoes I can count on to be stylish, comfy,
It's for me.
for me.
I have to follow you? What are you doing? What are you looking for?
This. And then cookies in there. And right there.
This is how you eat your cookies?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. This looks like it'd get you in trouble. What does your mother think about this?
It's good.
Yeah, you think it's good? Are you gonna get in trouble? Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure. Awesome. And that's how Frankie eats his cookies. Say goodbye.
Bye.